Hello guys, in this video I will show how to transpose, rotate the table in Excel. So guys, if you have any table in your Excel, so as we can see we have this table. So to rotate, first let's select this table, then right click add copy. Now select any cell. Now in this home tab you will see paste. Click on this drop down and here you will see option transpose. Just click on it. Very simple and basic way. To rotate table, select this transpose feature. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.